Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set any custom sounds or songs as alarm on Android. Default alarm sounds can be dull, boring, and repetitive, and sometimes you might even sleep right through them. Adding your own music can make your wake-up experience much better. So let's get started. Open your clock app. You can also search for the alarm app directly. Once you're inside, tap the three-dot menu, tap Settings, then click on Sounds. Here you can see all ringtones that are added by default. If you want to choose a song or music from your device, then click on plus icon at the top right corner. From here, you can see all your media in your device. Simply select, then click Done. Now, find here and select it. And that's it. You have successfully add and change ringtone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.